The ProShares Bitcoin Strategy Fund begins trading today. Investors have a new exchange-traded fund to be excited about. The SEC has approved this new investment vehicle. Before investing in a fund that holds Bitcoin futures contracts, make sure you carefully weigh the potential risks and benefits, the SEC tweeted. Many people have become interested in Bitcoin, but have found it to be risky and complicated to buy and trade it. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is the first U.S. Bitcoin-linked ETF offering investors an opportunity to gain exposure to Bitcoin returns in a convenient, liquid, and transparent way. The fund seeks to provide capital appreciation primarily through managed exposure to Bitcoin futures contracts. The fund does not invest directly in Bitcoin. The price and performance of Bitcoin futures should be expected to differ from the current spot price of Bitcoin. Other ETF providers have filed proposals with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. However, the ProShares ETF is set to be first one to launch on the NYSE Arca exchange when markets open in the U.S. on Tuesday. Annual fund operating expenses for the fund are as follows. Management fees 0.95%. Other expenses 1.0%. Total annual fund operating expenses 0.95%. Tax information. Income and capital gains distributions you receive from the fund generally are subject to federal income taxes and may also be subject to state and local taxes. The fund intends to distribute income, if any, quarterly, and capital gains, if any, at least annually. Bitcoin is now trading above $60,000. Crypto News reported. As for the immediate market reaction to an ETF launch, some traders and analysts warned over the weekend that a pullback in the Bitcoin price may be on the horizon. Last week said in a statement, Bitcoin is worthless. Jamie Dimon, Chief Executive Officer of JP Morgan Chase JPM, plus 1.92%. So, if they want to have access to buy yourself Bitcoin, we can't custody it. But we could give them legitimate, as clean as possible access.